If your labs keep coming back normal, but you feel inflamed, exhausted, and quietly dismissed, most stress advice isn't built for you because this isn't just stress. It's a nervous system that's been stuck in survival mode for years. When your vagus nerve isn't functioning well, your body can't shift out of fight or flight. And if you can't shift out of fight or flight, you don't truly recover, no matter how clean you eat or how much you rest. In this video, I'll show you what's actually happening inside your nervous system and a simple vagus nerve reset you can start using today. And stay with me because in just a few minutes, I'm going to guide you through a short exercise that many women say is the first time they've actually felt their body shift out of stress. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Julie, a registered nurse, and I live with Hashimoto's and chronic fatigue. I've spent over 20 years working through holistic solutions to restore my own health. And now I'm here to share those solutions with you. If this information is helpful to you, please subscribe and like this video so I can help more women who are suffering like I once did. Let's break down what's actually happening in your body. Your autonomic nervous system has two main modes. The first is sympathetic mode. That's your fight or flight. The second is parasympathetic mode. That's rest, repair, and healing. The vagus nerve is the main highway that allows your body to shift into that healing state. But when you've experienced chronic stress, not just emotional stress, but pressure, responsibility, overfunctioning, and pushing through symptoms, your body adapts by staying in low grade survival mode. And here's the problem. Survival mode is anti healing. In fight or flight, blood flow shifts away from digestion, inflammation increases, thyroid conversion slows, cortisol rhythms flatten, and immune signaling becomes dysregulated. That's when autoimmune symptoms flare. And this is also why so many women are told everything looks normal, even when their body clearly doesn't feel normal. At this point, many women think, okay, if this is happening in my body, why do my labs keep coming back normal? Let's talk about that because this is where conventional medicine often misses the full picture. Here's why your labs can still look normal. Standard lab tests measure disease. They are designed to detect pathology. They are not designed to detect early dysfunction. So you can have normal TSH, but poor T4 to T3 conversion. You can have normal inflammatory markers, but elevated immune signaling. You can have normal glucose, but unstable cortisol patterns. Your body can be stuck in a stress physiology pattern without crossing the threshold that flags on standard lab work. That doesn't mean you're fine. It means your body is compensating. And compensation is exhausting. This pattern is extremely common in high achieving women because you're capable, you're responsible, and you don't quit. So instead of collapsing when stress hits, you override it. You override fatigue, you override gut symptoms, and you override flares. But every time you override, you reinforce the survival loop. Over time, your nervous system forgets how to downshift. And when that happens, your body starts sending subtle signals that your vagus nerve is not regulating well. Let me show you what those signals often look like. Some subtle signs your vagus nerve may not be regulating properly are feeling wired but tired, not being able to fully relax, even on vacation, waking between 2 and 4 a.m., unpredictable digestion, symptoms flaring after emotional stress, feeling inflamed after minor triggers. These are not personality flaws. They are nervous system signals. And the good news is your nervous system can relearn how to shift out of survival mode. And I want to show you how that begins. So, what do we actually do about this? The goal is not to eliminate stress. The goal is to restore flexibility. We want your nervous system to be able to shift out of fight or flight efficiently. That's where vagus nerve retraining comes in. I'm going to walk you through a simple reset exercise you can start using right away. This exercise is supported by research on vagus nerve stimulation and parasympathetic activation. And if you follow along with me for the next 2 minutes, you may actually feel your body begin to soften, maybe for the first time in a long time. Before we go further, I want you to actually experience this because understanding something intellectually is one thing, but your body needs to feel the shift. This exercise gently stimulates the vagus nerve and signals safety to your nervous system. It takes less than 2 minutes, and if your nervous system has been stuck in survival mode, this can feel surprisingly powerful. Let's do this together. Sit comfortably, place both feet flat on the ground, let your shoulders drop slightly. Now gently turn your head to the right. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Now back to center. You want to stay there until you feel a slight sigh or softening. Now, turn gently to the left, slow inhale, and slowly exhale through your mouth. And remember, stay there until you feel a sigh or a slight downshift. You're signaling to your body that it's safe to look around, it's safe to orient, it's safe to downshift. Now we deepen the signal. Take a slow inhale through your nose, and at the top, take a small second sip of air, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale, small second sip, and slowly exhale through your mouth. One more time. Inhale, sip, exhale. You may notice your shoulders dropping or your jaw relaxing. That's your vagus nerve responding. One final step. Take a slow inhale, and on the exhale, softly hum. Feel the vibration in your chest or throat. That vibration directly stimulates the vagus nerve. For some of you, that may be the first time today your shoulders softened, even a little. And if that happened, that is so important because it shows your nervous system can shift. It just needs the right signals. Now, sit for a moment. Notice your body. Do you feel even 5% softer or 5% calmer? That is regulation beginning. And this small shift is exactly how nervous system healing starts. When you practice this consistently, you build nervous system flexibility, and flexibility allows inflammation to settle. digestion to improve, sleep to deepen, and immune signaling to stabilize. But when a nervous system has been in survival mode for years, it needs structure. It needs repetition and often guidance. That's why I recommend a structured nervous system retraining program for women who want to go deeper. The program linked below is one I personally have been using for over 2 years. It walks you step by step through daily regulation practices that only take a few minutes each day. If this resonates with you, I encourage you to explore it and always listen to your body and choose what feels aligned. You may also want to save this video so you can come back and practice this reset again later. Many women find that repeating this exercise daily helps their body relearn how to shift out of stress. You are not alone and you are not broken. You are also not crazy. If your labs are normal but you don't feel well, your body is communicating something. And today, you took a step towards understanding it. I'd love to know in the comments, have you ever been told your labs were normal even though you did not feel okay? Your story might help another woman feel less alone. And if you know someone quietly pushing through exhaustion, please share this video with her. Sometimes the most powerful thing we can do is help someone feel seen. And if you want more education on nervous system repair, autoimmune support, and restoring energy after 40, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. If this video resonated with you, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more women who need this. Your body isn't failing you. It's asking for safety. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to go deeper, I've put together a free autoimmune energy workbook. It includes a symptom tracker, a root cause lab checklist, and a 7-day starter reset plan. The link is in the description below. Take care of yourself because you deserve to feel well. And remember, we're all in this together.